birthday, Ne. Wish you good health and be strong always. Sayang at hindi kami nakadalo, lalo-lalo yung mga friend nating iba. Ayan lang, syempre, dahil sa panahon. Pero in God's will, magkikita-kita ulit tayo. Alam kong napakasarap talaga yung nagkikita-kita tayong lahat ng mga US bonders. So, happy birthday ulit. And love you. Makatatag ka lagi. Okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ne! Happy birthday! Wish ko sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday at good health at sana maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan kasama ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Again, Ne, happy birthday! Laging mag-iingat, lalo na ngayong may pandemic. Happy birthday ulit! I love you! Bye!
Hello, Ne. Happy birthday. Sayang, hindi kami nakarating sa inyo. Gawa ng pandemic. Siguro, pag nawala na yung pandemic, magkikita ulit tayo. Wish ko lang, good health and more birthday to celebrate. I love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa'yo, Nene. Alam ko na masaya ang kaarawan mo na to dahil meron kang pamilya na nagmamahal sa'yo ng lubos, yung mga anak mo at saka yung mga kaibigan mo na ang tanging hangarin ay maging masaya ka. Kaya stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy at patuloy na magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. God bless you. Happy birthday ulit, Nene.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. At sana lagi kang maging healthy. Mag-ingat palagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mars. Enjoy your day. Andito lang ako palagi. One text away or one call away. Miss you so much. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maring Nene. Enjoy, relax, and be happy sa araw na to. Kapiling ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Wala man kami dyan, pero sa isip at puso namin ay kasama ka namin. Kaya, enjoy, we love you, we miss you, at magkikita ulit tayo. Matapos lang itong pandemic na to. God bless, be safe, and good health always.
Hello, Nene. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, more birthdays to come, good health, long life, and happiness in life. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Hi, Ne. I wish you a happy birthday. It's Emma from Calgary. And I wish you all the best in life. And I wish you the long and satisfied life. Somebody wanted to greet. Where's Earl?
Hi, Nanek. How are you? This is Earl from, Emma says only Calgary, but we're really in Alberta, Canada too. So it's nice and warm today. And we've got the great mountains here. You should come here someday and visit us because beautiful country.
We sure.
And you have a happy birthday. So whatever you're going to do, you have a happy birthday and take care of yourself. And I hope everything is great today. Okay?
Okay, why don't we sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ne. Bye-bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Have a great day.
Hi, Ninang. Happy birthday. I know things are tough right now, but it will get better. So hope to see you soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ne. Enjoy your day, Mars.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. Love you po.
Ino-order ko para happy birthday. Ganun ako, pag-game natin ko. Kaya kalamang na to.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo long life, stay healthy always. I love you, Nene. Walang iyakan, ha. Huwag kang mag-alala kahit hindi kami makapunta dyan sa birthday mo, kahit hindi tayo magkasama-sama. Dito kami ng mga kaibigan at kumari mo na nagmamahal sa iyo, Nene. Yaan mo, pagdating ng wala ng pandemic, gugura na ulit tayo. I love you, Nene. God bless you always. Miss you. And happy birthday ulit.
Hi! Ne, Ga, happy birthday to you ha. Pasensya ka na, ngayon lang ako nag-video kasi hindi ako marunong eh. Hindi, kaliligo ko lang. Happy birthday in advance. Sayang, pandemic, hindi kami makakapunta sa'yo. Hindi ko nasuot yung kwintas. Kaliligo ko lang eh. Wish ko sa'yo, happy birthday at saka more blessings to come para lalo kang mag-share sa iba. Ha? Yun lang masasabi ko. Ayaw kong iyak! Love you! And I will cherish our friendship during Anchor Day. Love you!
Hello! Ne, happy birthday! Ingat lang lagi. Senior na, kailangan na nating mag-ingat. More birthday.
Hi, Ne. Good evening. Hindi na tayo nagkita mula nung pandemic. 2 years ago. Kadebot lang tayo nagkikita naman eh. Anyway, gusto lang sanang katabatiin ng happy birthday. Enjoy life. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Ne.
Yo. Happy birthday, Ate Nene. Wish you good health. At sana makapag-tour pa ulit tayo.
Happy birthday,
I miss you, Ate Nene.
Miss you, Ate Nene.
Hello, Ate Nene. Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come and keep safe always and good health. Miss ko na yung tour natin. Pag wala ng COVID, tour na ulit tayo. Thank you. Bye. Happy birthday again.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita Nene! Woo!
Birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hanay Nene, happy birthday. God bless. Miss na po kitang maghahalaman. Ingat po palagi.
Tita, happy birthday. Wish you all the happiness, good health, and lots of money. Para sa pamilya. Take care po, ingat po, huwag pong lalabas. Always wear a face mask. Happy birthday, Tita!
Ninang, happy birthday and more birthdays to come and God bless you.
Hi, Tia Nene. Happy birthday to you. And may you have more birthdays to come. I wish you good health, happiness, and long life. And always take good care of yourself and your family, especially in this pandemic. I miss you and I love you all. Bye.
Ayan o. Happy birthday, Tia Nene! Ang pinakamaganda at mabait naming tiyahin sa buong mundo. I love you. Love you. Happy birthday to you. From Luna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Pati ba naman dito ako pa rin ang ano?
Hooray! Hooray! Happy birthday to you. Wala na, bumagsak na.
Happy birthday, Tia. God bless. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. Happy birthday, Lola Nene. Happy birthday, Lola Nene.
Birthday, Tita! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Neneng Liing, Neneng Laki!
Happy birthday po, Mama. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Mama Nene. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Mama Nene. Ingat ka palagi. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. I love you.
Bye.